Earth was triangular in shape, it would definitely be the odd man out in the solar system. Earth's three edges would either get extremely cold or extremely hot. Earth's not uniform gravitational pull may cause moons to become extremely wobbly.
Alright folks, so today we are at a rail fan of Crosse, Wisconsin today. Today our school day was canceled because we had our winter storm. So school was canceled. Definitely all schools got canceled because of a bad storm. Alright, what's going on today? We got so many trains. We got the caboose and 2 locomotives. And we got 1 more locomotive back. You're right. Right. So far, let's say 27, 26, actually. So wobbly around here. It's making my camera so wobbly.
Sorry.
So wobbly.
My best.
Store engineering and information technology. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's like a lot of them. SDs, POXL. Yep, here we go. There's no red lights. No, there is red lights. But there's no green light on the CPKC.
Do you want me to park here and wait for it?
I heard a defect detector. I didn't hear a defect
Do you
detector.
want me to park here and wait for
We
it?
got a green light. We got a green light, folks. Defect detector. 206 axles. That's really short.
Is this the one we watched?
Turn right.
Oh, sorry.
Alright folks, we're almost there. Just gotta Get attention and get ready for the train to come right before it even comes here. Pass this baby. Go direct. So, yeah, I know what that even is. Could be some new train. I don't think we'll have time to get the train at Glendale. Actually, for a better view, I want to get it at Ward. Hopefully the crossings are just down right away. Yep.
Wait.
I think it's not gonna come right away, so unfortunately I think the crossing lights are just gonna go. You can park and I'll set up my tripod, okay?
Kid, look at this huge lake. We can't get out.
I can get out. I know I'm sick and tired of having to. Oh, why do we have to get it by car?
Well, we can set up on the sidewalk there. That's about it.
No, it's too late. It's too late. Unfortunately. Yeah, I can try. I can try. I don't have time to extend my tripod, so the train's already there. Oh, so much snow. Sorry. It's too late. It's too late. Alright, just stay. Now you can go.
You're mad at me.
Now you can go.
Alright, where am I going now? You go back to green? I don't know.
So we were at Glendale, but I heard a defect detector and he wanted to get the train at Ward Avenue. So anyways, they found a yellow car slug bug.
Yeah, you did. It's buried in the snow.
Why do you keep on talking to my videos?
Oh,
Alright folks, so we're almost back at Glendale. The radio transmission, and why is my camera wobbly? Alright. It's kind of hard to get the tripod to record from a tripod inside the van. It's really hard. Yep. And most of all, if I want to record on the side, there's gonna be no choice but to have it Uncle Crooked. Yeah, we're almost there. And I only have one beef stick left. I don't know where my other beef stick went. But my beef stick,
Down there somewhere.
it's not down there somewhere. It's gone forever. It's gone forever. It's gone. Anyways, we're already at Glendale Park, so I'll pause the video until I find the beef stick. Alright folks, so we have made it to Glendale Park, but the snow's really deep. Yep, this is blizzard thick snow. If my phone falls down from there, it's gonna be a broken phone again, and I'll have to get a new phone once again. And I'll lose my other channel. I'll lose my channel because I won't know. Because I might have to restart. I might have to remake it, and I possibly don't know the address. Yeah, the snow is way too deep. No, and it makes me feel a little shorter. Headphones are already beating it. I don't think they work anymore. We'll see if they still work. But yeah, I'm gonna clean them off as soon as I set up. And my hands are already getting cold already, like freezing. Yeah, my hands are already like my hands are already freezing. And I'm even getting frostbite. I'm getting frostbite. No, I'm getting frostbite. It's so cold, I'm gonna get frostbitten. And yeah, so I'm over here to check out the lights really quick. And don't see any lights right now. Yeah. Alright, now it's fall. Now it's follow my footsteps. Yeah, the snow. My headphones still work, even when they're in the snow. Usually every time I drop my phone in the snow, it is still not broken. Alright, I'm gonna extend my legs a little earlier. I think I'm afraid my phone will fall in the snow and then be broken forever without a fixable or oh no. Now my feet are cold. Everything is cold. Yep, I'm so freezing now. This is for my own good. It's been for my own good since the time I was in Michigan. Well, wait, I haven't been to Michigan yet. And then I'm gonna extend my neck. I'm gonna extend the tripod neck. Usually every time it goes up, it always comes back down. I have to hold this so it doesn't fall mid at the time I'm doing this. Alright, let's pause the video till the next train comes. I know why the gate is down. Oh, I think the brewery train's coming first. I'm actually gonna go closer. I'm actually gonna go closer to the train. Don't fall. The bank fell. I'll get it later. And I think after the debris train, yeah. But I think there's something coming. I think I can hear. Yeah. The train is really awesome. I don't want to catch it because I think it's pretty awesome. And yeah, let's turn the camera around a little bit. Oh, there's another train coming. Look at that. Yeah. If my friends see this, then yeah, there is another train coming. Here he comes. Now let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Yep. Get out, yep. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright. My eye. I can't, my eye. It's my eye. Alright, now let's go north to see if a buried train has moved yet. It's up around the dicky. Felony alert. Felony alert. Felony alert. Glendale Park. The train of a caboose is still here. Maybe. I might see it. Any luck with that?
Any luck with what?
Any luck of seeing the train? Evergreen Place.
Oh, I'm driving.
Yeah, 29th Street. There's 28th Court. They're gonna be turning left. And the train has gone. Yep, train has gone. And we can't find it anymore. Yep. We still got it, but it's just not there anymore. It failed. The plan failed. Well, the finding failed. The search failed. It's okay. It's a failed. Just completely failed. We'll check the bridge to see if it's at Cass or something. So the train number of a bridge train is BSF 2925. Yep. It just passed Cass. Thank you for watching the video. Over 20 minutes. Good afternoon, folks. Good evening, folks. I'll see you in the next video.